Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Cooking Euphoria. Today I am sharing with you one most popular dish from Chettinad region, chicken chettinad. This is a mind-blowing dish in which the chicken is cooked in a special chutney. To make this recipe, the first step is to marinate the chicken. For 750 grams of skinless chicken, add 1 teaspoon red chili powder and 2 tablespoons of beaten yogurt. Mix them very well and allow the chickens to marinate for 30 minutes. Now the time is to make the most important thing, the chutney. And for this, take a pan and heat 1.5 tablespoons of oil. Then add 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon coriander seeds, 1 teaspoon peppercorn, 1 teaspoon fennel, sauf or mori, 4 to 5 cloves, 2 cardamoms and 1 dry red chili. Fry them lightly and add 2 teaspoon poppy seeds. Fry them 1 to 2 minutes on low heat. Now add roughly chopped ginger and garlic. Now add 1 medium cup full grated coconut to it and fry until the colors of all spices is become golden brown. Now add little water to soften the spices. Let it cool and then turn into a paste or chutney. One more thing is used here while making the chutney or paste is tamarind or imli or tetul, which I did not use, but you can take it. Now take another pan and boil 2 large size tomatoes. Slit lightly at bottom to peel them easily after boiling. Pick them up, chop finely and keep aside. Now take a pan and add 3 tablespoons of oil. Then fry 2 sliced onions. When the onions become well brown, add the marinated chicken. Fry both sides of it very well. Now add half teaspoon or less turmeric powder as we don't want the curry yellowish and fry the chicken again. Now add little red chili powder to it. Now add the previously boiled tomatoes. Now add salt, 1.5 teaspoon or as per your taste. Now add the marinated stocks if remains. Mix it well and then add the chutney or paste. Cook everything on medium flame. When chicken is half cooked and the spices mixed up very well, add the curry leaves. Cover the lid for a while so that the fragrance of it can mix up very well. Now add little boiled water in it and cook again with covering the lid for 5 to 10 minutes. See the texture and color of it. It's really awesome, not only by looks but also by taste. Check if the chicken is fully cooked. Now turn off the flame and add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Chicken chettinad is typically served with steamed rice, but you can also serve it with neat dosa. Thank you for watching. For more videos, please visit my channel Cooking Euphoria.